Well, hi there boys and girls, it's Ivor Sawfingers again with you with part 2 of Wuthering Heights by Kate Bush. Okay, in this section we'll be going to do the chorus and the bridge sections. Okay, the chorus is actually quite difficult in my opinion, but I'll try and make it as easy as I can, slow it right down for you. Okay, so in part 1 we did the intro, the verse section and the pre-chorus section, okay, which ends up with that wuthering, wuthering, wuthering heights, and it goes into the chorus. Okay, so the wuthering, wuthering, wuthering heights is on the F sus4, as I showed you in part 1. Wuthering, wuthering, wuthering heights, little mini pause, and then it goes into the chorus. Heathcliff. I like to play 2 chords for that because you're already on the F sus4, so after you've done the mini pause where it goes wuthering, wuthering, wuthering heights, Heathcliff. I like Heath is that F sus4 again, single strum. Heathcliff is F sharp major. Cliff. Okay, then single strum on that F sharp major. Then there's a little rundown to E flat minor. So second on the bottom E string, first on the bottom E string, and then we play the E flat minor chord, 6th fret bar, minor shape. Okay, so now we've got this. Wuthering, wuthering, wuthering heights, Heathcliff, it's me. So a single stroke on that E flat minor, it's me, is A flat. Okay, 4th fret bar chord major shape, and that's it's me Kathy and come home is D flat, again 4th fret bar, but the bar on the 6th fret, 4th, 3rd and 2nd strings, bar 3rd finger, all 3 fingers like that. Yeah, it's a chord we played in the verse section. Okay, so far coming out of the pre-chorus where it goes wuthering, wuthering, wuthering heights, Heathcliff, it's me, Kathy, come home now. Okay, then we go to F sharp again. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so now we've got this. Wuthering, wuthering, wuthering heights, Heathcliff, it's me, Kathy, come home now. It's cold. It's cold, it's all on the F sharp. Cold, let me in is A flat. Okay, so let's go up to that point. Wuthering, wuthering heights, Heathcliff, it's me, Kathy, I've come home now. It's so cold, let me into your window is D flat again, window, F sharp, oh, and that's the end of the first half of the chorus. Okay, so let's get that far. Okay, from the end of the pre-chorus, wuthering, wuthering, wuthering high, Heathcliff, it's me, Kathy, come home now. I'm so cold, let me into your window. And then he just repeats the whole thing, staying on the F sharp for Heathcliff. Heathcliff, it's me, Kathy, come home now. I'm so cold, let me into your window. Okay, and that's it. Then we go into the next verse. Okay, so 2 lots the same. Okay, so let's do it very, very slowly for you. Coming out of the first pre-chorus where it goes wuthering, wuthering, wuthering high, Heathcliff, I've forgotten the words again, sorry, it's me, that's right. Wuthering, wuthering, wuthering heights, Heathcliff, it's me, Kathy, I've come home now. It's so cold, let me into your window. Heathcliff, it's me, Kathy, come home now. I'm so cold, let me into your window. Okay, that's how it goes. I'll try and play that even slower. Okay, so Wuthering, wuthering, wuthering heights, Heathcliff, it's me, a Kathy, so cold now. I'm so cold, let me into your window. Heathcliff, it's me, a Kathy, so cold now. I'm so cold, let me into your window. Okay, hopefully you got that. And then basically you stay on that for 2 beats. So we go window. And then you go to the A chord again. And do that sort of thing. That's an A strum. And then you do the top E string, the second string, and then back to the top E string. And then you're into the next verse. We go, oh, it gets dark, it gets lovely, that bit again. So I'll show you coming out of the second half of the let's do the whole thing, from the first pre-chorus going into the chorus and then the second verse. Okay, so wuthering, wuthering, wuthering heights, Heathcliff, it's me, you can't feel faithful now. I'm so cold, let me into your window. Heathcliff, it's me, Kathy, I've come home now. I'm so cold, let me into your window. Da 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 da, it's so lonely on the other side. Get the idea. Into the second verse. Okay, so then it does the second verse, then it does another pre-chorus, and then another chorus. Okay, then it does the proper chorus again, and then we've got the bridge section. Okay, so the bridge section comes out of the chorus where it goes Heathcliff, it's me, Kathy, I've come home now. I'm so cold, let me into your window. And it goes into the bridge section, B flat minor. Oh, let me have it, let me grab your soul away. It does that twice. So it's B flat minor, that's a 6th fret bar minor shape. Okay, so here, that's where it goes. Oh, let me have it is A flat. Okay, then you go down to F sharp, let me grab your, then E flat minor, soul away to D flat, E flat minor to D flat. Okay, so oh, let me have it, let me grab your soul away. Repeat the whole thing. Oh, let me have it, let me grab your soul away. Then the final one is a bit different. It's oh no, it's me. Now this is a bit tricky. I would suggest you just go you on that last line. You know, it's me, Kathy. So that's B flat minor. You know, it's A flat, me, F sharp, Kathy. And then B flat minor, and you go back to that shape, or you could play B flat minor there, 1st fret bar chord minor shape, whichever one you want, that one or that one. Okay, so the whole bridge section is oh, sorry, I've lost the words. Okay, oh, let me have it, let me grab your soul away. Repeat, oh, let me have it, let me grab your soul away. You know it's me, it can't be. And then it goes back into the chorus again. Okay, it goes back into the chorus. You could do that Heathcliff. You could do that F sharp, F sus4 if you wanted to. It goes Kathy, Heathcliff. You could do that again like you did on the first chorus, like do that sus4, Eve, Cliff, it's me, okay, or you could just go it's me straight into it, into the F sharp, okay. So we come out to you know it's me, Kathy, it's Cliff, sorry, Kathy, Eve, Cliff, it's me, and so on. You get the idea. I've lost it a bit there. Unless you're playing the whole thing, it's a bit tricky. So that's it. You just do a couple of choruses, and then I just finished on the B flat minor. So you come out of that Eve, Cliff, it's me, Kathy, I just finished on the B flat minor, okay, but it's up to you. So there you have it, boys and girls. I hope you picked the bones out of that. I'm sorry it's a bit messy, but it's not the easiest thing to show somebody that.